Some people with congestive heart failure are getting the chance to try a new treatment.
St. Francis is participating in a 2-year double-blind clinical trial for a device that could potentially help people with congestive heart failure.
Fox 23's Alexa Mosham learned why one Green Country woman wanted to take part in the trial.
When Gail Knox was diagnosed with a type of congestive heart failure, she was shocked.
People like me don't have things like that. You know, it happens to somebody else, old people.
Gail lives an active lifestyle. She works out and didn't think she was at risk for heart failure. But soon after being diagnosed, she was learning about different treatments. That's when her doctor brought up a clinical trial for people with diastolic heart failure.
I want to be a part of the solution. I want to be doing something that really matters. And I think this does.
Gail went through 2 to 3 months of testing to prove she was a good candidate for the trial. Now she's one of the participants.
We create a small opening between the 2 upper chambers of the heart. And what that does is when the pressure starts to back up in that left upper chamber, which would normally push fluid into the lungs and make people short of breath, that little opening allows some of that pressure to bleed off to the opposite side. And it makes people less short of breath when they exert themselves.
Dr. Doug Ensley is a cardiologist with St. Francis and is in charge of this trial. He explains they'll follow the patients for 2 years. Neither doctor or patient knows who has the device until the end of that 2 years to see what the results show.
We hope this study will be positive, and the reason we hope that is because we'd like to be able to offer patients more than we can currently offer them.
Dr. Ensley says this device won't cure diastolic heart failure, but they hope it will improve quality of life.
But it will improve symptoms. Some chance that it would make people less likely to have heart failure hospitalizations. I think that's likely.
And for Gail, the potential to help others is enough of a reason to be in the trial.
I want people to realize that it really matters that you do something that makes a difference. Day to day, we do a lot of things. We're all busy, and it's pretty important, most of what we do. But does it really make a difference in someone else's lives?
Covering news that matters, I'm Alexa Moss from Fox 23 News.